Oh, hi everyone. It's me, Juliana. So today we're gonna this is quite a while we're doing the slime video. But I'm picking two slimes here. So here we go, you guys. So first thing, I'm gonna start with this because I want this will be last. This actually have sparkles on it, you guys. So we're gonna do that last. So here we go. Let's open it. Wait, hold up, you guys. I'm gonna open it first. Okay. Here we go. And then watch topping where we're gonna go. Maybe pink. Phone beads. So hold up. Or phone. I don't remember. Well, I'm gonna get the pink phone beads. Phone balls. Well, now we're gonna. All I have to do is put it. So hold up, you guys. Let's see. Open it. Okay. So you will see what it's just like. Okay. Then and okay, I'm gonna get it out. The slime. Oh, it's okay. Well. Okay. Oh my god. Oh my god. That's not doing what we could squish if we want. So yeah. Okay, let's put it back in there. Next was the pink glitter one. Last one, you guys. Well, yeah. Well, hold up, you guys. Like the slime, you mean opening this slime? The slime kit. You remember, you guys? Now, like the rainbow from no. I'm about to sting something. Okay, whatever. Fine, let's do the rainbow. The ball something. Yeah. So hold up, I'm gonna get it, you guys. Okay, there it is. So we're gonna put it all in there. You remember the other video? I put the green thing on it, so you can check it out if you see it. So yeah. Or did you already see it? Or no? I don't remember. Maybe the other video. Yeah, the other video. Maybe, did you already see it or no? Well, let me know in the comments. Here. Maybe, if you see the green slime, I just put it. And let's take it out. Oh my god! Oh my god. It's just rolling. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Wow, yeah. Because this is a candy slime. Yeah. I just see at the back of the kit. Do you remember see it? Just check it out. A first video of the slime. Wait. Yeah. So if you only check it out yet, if you check it out, that's good. So that's actually beautiful, you guys. Oh my god. We should play it. Oh my god. Oh my god. It's actually beautiful. Oh my god. Like, beautiful! Oh my god. Sorry, I didn't mean to say it very loud. Hey, Cars is just very beautiful. Now we're going to put it back. Guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Goodbye, everyone. Bye-bye.